Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. It bliss in the mix, him and all his angels are fooling y'all again. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So lay your offerings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Yeah, children get sacrificed to Baal and they family Balenciaga, not just no product, they following Sammy. Don't fall for the whammy of the scapegoat, probably planned it, knowing everybody who spotted it would try to just ban it. Then it's just a matter of time before they try to rebrand it. Get somebody like Nicki Minaj to come model they panties like Rihanna with Benny the Savage, exile of the Tamala mans. We are standing in the pot of the god of this planet. Saint Nick, god of the Canaanite tribe again, and it's obvious that it's that time again for the rise of the Samson. But now he's more powerful, advancing the Lilas and chanting, could never stand a chance. He gon' stamp with a Bible in hand and they slap boxing with God and lost a plan to watch Allah without they phalanges. And he came with the clouds and his rain and flames on the synagogue and shaitan for the crimes on humanity, for all the innocent civilians who died by the hands of these Luciferians, and everybody who stand with them. I want their bodies in Jahannam, for all the souls they sold when they vowed and took the obligation to misguide the nation for the sake of getting endowed with a Grammy. And
here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. It bliss in the mix, him and all his angels are fooling y'all again. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So lay your offerings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
yeah, here he comes, Satan claws like the fire babies lost. They've been missing, Mr. President involved. Can you tell me, is it logical to think that they got cameras on the walls, on the halls, on the streets of every corner to keep tabs on all the trappers, but these children get kidnapped and they be asking y'all to catch them like them satellites for NASA, not advanced enough to track them. Amber alert us for why? Please overstand your government hand in the dirt so they quiet. They got technology that can scan the whole earth from the sky, but can't find a vehicle that literally a person describes. CQ and I was trying to tell you, but they purposely got inside it and infiltrated and reversed they work and just lie. Human traffic is not a fucking conspiracy, it's a business. Epstein one shit but a fall guy for them big wigs. Most of these celebrities either did the shit or they witnessed it. That's 90% of them guilty, 10% innocent. But
here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. It bliss in the mix, him and all his angels are fooling y'all again.
what you think it mean when they say trick or treat on Halloween? And what you think them things up under the Christmas tree symbolically represent all of the children were killed or got locked in boxes? Depending on which guy was dropping and hanging up stockings meant that they was laying out offerings for Baal and his fleet. Why you think they depicted Santa as a pilot? Cause he was obviously the leader of people who fly, and it's even illustrated when they show you that he's a guy with some wings like Baphomet and Malek. And you can go now to Bohemian Grove and you can see that it's so that the owl is king. And see, the owl is just symbolic of some powerful beings, the Nephilim, the fallen angels who devour. You'll see the surface of planet Earth is a farm. And guess who the crops? Makes you think about all them babies that they fed to the crops. Makes you think about all them babies that they fed to the cops. Makes you think about all them babies that they fed to the doctors. Human beings is being hunted and your government knows. And your government got a covenant with devils and show. I don't know what it's gonna take for people to finally wake up and stop thinking Satan is some shit that everybody made up. No, they're here and they've been in the shadows for a while. They told you in Revelation that the dragon wants your child. There's a way to defeat him, only thing is we don't know how. Rebellion. Guess we didn't know how till now, but
here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.